Hi Anandhi, welcome.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. I'm so glad you finally found the time to have this conversation. And
I'm very blessed I met you, ma'am.
yes, I'm so happy that we are together. And since the way we got to know each other, since then it's like being buddies and staying together with having a journey together, taking on life.
Yeah, I'm having time.
Yeah. So now I have to ask you, can you quickly introduce yourself so that people who are watching you can know you, who you are, where you are, what do you do? So tell us about your life personally and professionally, what you do.
Yeah, sure. I'm Anandhi Chajjed. I'm married and I'm blessed with 2 kids. I'm a YouTuber. I upload 3 kinds of videos: art and craft, cooking, and Jain bhajans and Jain sutras. I am a multi-talented person and I enjoy doing anything.
Great,
That's it,
great,
ma'am.
great. So I know you as a multi-talented person because whatever I have seen on your YouTube channel and the way you show up with your activities, and however I have known you for a short time, but I see you as an overload of talent. And I guess sometimes you get to the management part. We always have to manage things, whatever talent strengths we have. It's always about a good management to give you a great result and success. So I see that you are really managing well with the commitment that you have in your personal life and the kind of talent you have, and however the journey that you took on to have a YouTube channel and load the videos and do the creative work and have so many followers, and with this uh, with this busy life and kind of a family commitment, and you are a role model for many people already. So tell me, Anandhi, quickly, like how did we meet, like how we got to know each other before we
I got your number from Pramod Murtha. He said just call her and talk to her. She's a very nice person. She'll guide you and all. And then okay, fine. I didn't know at that time for what I am going to talk to you. And then when I saw your messages and all, your the group name, the designer life you love, and that attracted me. And then I called you. And then again we went on. You informed me everything, and then about the course and all. So I got interested because I needed something like that to someone I needed to guide me to how to move on and how to manage everything and become a celebrity.
yes
So
yes,
yeah,
absolutely.
yeah, and that was my dream actually. And I got you. You know, I'm very happy that I got someone I really needed. And then
yeah, thank you so much, Anandhi, to remind me all of this. I remember my coach used to tell me, when the student is ready, the teacher arrives. And I think that happened with me when I found my coach, and it happened to you when you found me.
yes.
So tell me about your experience of the workshop, because that was the first thing that we did together, 5 days. And I remember you have participated all the 5 days and you were very consistent in learning and implementing. So how was your experience of designing a life you love workshop?
Yeah, I loved it. It was a life-changing time for me. I didn't value any time myself, but after the course, I started valuing myself. I started seeing myself, valuing my talents, and then I learned. I felt very happy, like time management. I learned about time management, the daily tasks, and then becoming a brand, and I enjoyed making speeches about my channel and giving the personal introduction, and that was an amazing time I had actually. I had very positive thoughts and a beautiful future planning, like
Yes.
So I was seeing my future, like I'm like in future, planning before itself, and making a goal setting, and I enjoyed a lot.
Wonderful.
I got a reason of living actually, and how to manage with my talents and my priorities, and my personal life too, and so like that.
Wonderful. So that's the whole purpose of the course, that you really start from where you are and go for the future that you willing to create, willing to have. You really want that. As you said, you want to become a celebrity, and you really started imagining yourself modeling for the sarees and jewelries. You shared those pictures with me. So that is all part of the training, where you really visualize yourself celebrating the life that you have and you are living into. And that was so beautiful to know that part of you, because when you get introspective and you really look at what you really want, what will really fulfill you, that's when this gold comes out. So beautiful. So having done this program, and even doing the content creation module, you participated in that, you did some videos for yourself. So what is the future that you're seeing for yourself right now?
I'm seeing that I'm doing my video work more beautifully.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to give all my talents, all the knowledge I have, I'll keep sharing. And that's my main motive. My motive is to share my knowledge, and it becomes useful to someone who is in need. And so I'm seeing myself as a celebrity.
Yes.
That's it.
Great. And when I say a celebrity is not, we typically say, when you say celebrity, you automatically look at the movie people or the TV people, the media people, people who are on in the news, in the media all the time. So when I say celebrity, is somebody who celebrates his life. And you
Yes.
and me, anybody can do that, because we are as unique as our fingerprint, and we are born with a unique purpose and unique meaning and fulfillment, and it's up to us to find that. And you can only find it when you are really enjoying the life. Life is not going to be easy for anybody.
Yes.
But we need to find that joy and happiness in and being grateful that we are alive and we are here, and we have this opportunity to celebrate life as an opportunity. So that is what I mean by being a celebrity. So when you start celebrating, you become somebody, people look up to you, learn from you, and you already have a package of knowledge, wisdom, talent that you're ready to share, and that's what you're going to leave behind through all the work that you're doing. And yes, owning your light and sharing your light. So that's about it. So that's wonderful, Anandhi, and I'm really glad that I am partnering you in this journey, and I really look forward that you really fulfill on what you want to accomplish, and I support you, I guide you with the goals, with the management, with the skills.
Still problem.
Yes. So the final question: what is the message that you want to leave?
You give me a direction, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah. So what is the message that you want to leave?
That enjoy every second of your life. Because have very positive thoughts all time, because world cannot change our thoughts, but our thoughts can make our world positive.
Beautiful.
So
that's so amazing.
Always positive thoughts and keep celebrating your life, keep doing good things. Whatever you are doing, just enjoy.
Yes. So do what you love, and you enjoy what you're doing. Find happiness in whatever you're doing. And you said something very powerful. Your thoughts can alter the world around you. Though it's a simple thought, but if you focus on positive and good things, you will attract good things. And you have to reject the negative thoughts. You have to
thoughts make our world.
Yeah, and you have to reject the negative thoughts. You have to not give attention to any negativity around you and inside you, both. So that will help you. Yes, that will help you have a good health and well-being and a very good environment around.
Yeah, always energetic and relaxed.
Yes. And it comes with practice. We are not designed to do this. We have to learn this sometimes. We need guidance from someone to really know the tips and tricks how you can trick your mind and be positive rather than running into fear and doubt. So that's so amazing, Anandhi. I love this conversation, and I look forward and continue to work with you and fulfill on your goals. So thank you so much for squeezing this time today out of your schedule.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much. I'm so blessed I got you, ma'am. You have changed my life totally. My thoughts, my thinking, my way of life, everything has changed. I've started thinking about myself. I've started taking time for myself and doing tasks, as you said, at least 5 tasks a day. And I'm following those things. I'm trying my best to do all the things you taught me. And it's really, really, really so nice, actually, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you and love you. Take care and good night.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. Good night.